Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I get the pleasure to come out and test drive and review this 2020 Ram. This is a 1500 crew cab in the fire engine red. Really looks good, drives out good. It's a one owner, has under 18,000 miles, so there's really not much negative to look at here, but let's go ahead and jump in. Front windshield looks really good. I like to check for rock chips and things of that sort. That all looks good. Now underneath the hood is the 5.7 liter Hemi, which is the V8, the larger engine option in the Rams. And on top of that, it is the eTorque Hemi, which has the mild hybrid system. And if you're unfamiliar with that, I know a lot of V8 guys are like, I don't want no hybrid. Well, what it does is a mild hybrid system, picks up your fuel mileage about a gallon or so on the highway and in town. And what it's going to do, it's going to pick up your torque, particularly when trucks get bad fuel mileages like that stop and go traffic, you know, in the city and stuff like that. So it picks up your torque at low speeds. If you do some off-road stuff or maybe some hauling stuff, some pulling stuff, it's going to pick up your torque again at that low speed. So let's go ahead and continue the review. The headlights look good. I like the black inserts on the upper and lower grille. All that looks good. Ram emblem. Really, the front end all looks good up here. Has Bridgestone tires. Wheel size on this is 18-inch wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, plenty of tread left on the tire, very few miles on this truck overall. Does have running boards down here. They look good. Get a little sneak peek in the back here. The crew cab is going to give you a ton of room back here in the back room cab. It's got the nice thick rubber mat. Even has the hidden storage down here that doubles as a cooler. There's going to be one of those on the other side as well. Looks good back here. This is a four-wheel drive. So they do make these trucks in two-wheel drives. If you're wanting four-wheel drive, just be cautious of that. You do have your 2-inch towing receiver. This truck is rated to tow, I think, like 8,000 pounds or so. Has your 7-pin wiring and 4-pin wiring. Backup camera. Look at that spray-in bed liner in the bed here. Got a lot of nice options in this. It has the tonneau cover, the vinyl tonneau cover up there. So you can kind of keep some stuff in there. It is a Low Pro Truck Hero tonneau cover brand. Nice brand. Driver's side looks really good. Exterior on this, I just rate. It's a great rating. There's really nothing wrong on the exterior. Financing is available on this pickup, so if you're interested in that, it's a great price on this. Check out the price. So if you're interested in financing, I will post a link for you down in the description, so check that out. Notice how the mirrors, they got defrosting mirrors there, which is nice. Good. Running board down here. Seat looks in great shape. This is a 6-passenger, so you flip up that center console, get the 6th seat, and it kind of folds down as a center console when you don't need it. Does have keyless entry. I already got it running. It's kind of hot. I wanted the air to cool it down in here, so it's comfortable for me, I guess. It's got 17,647 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash. Up to date on its oil change. Automatic headlights. Has power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. Some catch-all storage area in the door. Steering wheel looks good. Has hands-free connectivity, cruise control, gearing control where you can shift the gears. That's great if you're towing. Push button start here. And then down below that is your automatic transmission, and then your four-wheel drive control is right to the left of that. Color backup screen. I got it in backup mode, and if you hit the little plus, it gives you a straight down view, so if you are hooking up to a trailer or something, that's always nice. Looks like we got AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, built-in compass, heat and air conditioning control, traction control, tow haul. Has your USBs down here. Kind of a catch-all and a change organizer that pulls out there. And then I like to put my phone down there. Again, keyless entry. Now let's put the seat down. The interior shows really clean. Got some beverage holders, more storage. Nice padded top here where your elbow sits, so that's all nice. Does have power opening rear window. If you see that opening and now closing, it's all there. I pulled up the history report showing just one owner, never been in an accident. Yeah, all that really looks good. So if you have any questions, definitely contact us. We'll be happy to assist you. This truck, I don't think it's going to last too long. It's an awesome price on it. It's good looking. It's nicely equipped. I don't think I showed you, but it's got the rubber mats up here just like what we saw in the back. So thanks for checking this out, and it's been a pleasure hanging out with you today. If you have any questions, one of our team members will be happy to assist you. Just give them a call. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.